CIET NCERT presents audiobook Maths Mela, textbook of mathematics for grade 4.
Chapter 10 Elephants, Tigers and Leopards. Page number 149. On the right side of the page, you are provided with a QR code, scanning which you can reach out to the additional resources. NIM game, 2-player game. You have played a version of this game in the chapter Vacation with My Nani Ma in grade 3. We will add either 1 or 2 each time to reach the target number 10. How to play? First, player 1 starts by choosing either 1 or 2. Second, player 2 can also choose either 1 or 2 and add it to the number chosen by player 1. 3. The two players continue playing by choosing either 1 or 2 and adding it to the previous total. 4. The player who reaches 10 first is the winner. 5th, play it for a few rounds. Who wins in each of these cases? On the right side of the page, you have a picture of a boy and a girl standing near the scoreboard. The boy is writing the score on the board. Can you win the game if A. The other player has reached the total of 6 and it is your turn. B. The other player has reached the total of 7 and it is your turn. C. The other player has reached the total of 8 and it is your turn. Note for teachers. Encourage learners to play this game with various target numbers. You could also help note down the sums and the results for learners to analyze. Page number 150. Play the game to reach other target numbers like 10, 11 or 12 by adding 1 or 2 each time. Can you find a number in each case when you are sure that you can win? Addition chart. Look at the table given here and discuss how the table is made. Here we have a picture of a table with 13 rows and 13 columns. In the first row, we have the following symbols and numbers. The first column has plus sign and the other numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in the first column, we have plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, addition of these are mentioned in the corresponding boxes. For example, in row 1, the numbers read 0 plus 0 as 0, 0 plus 1 as 1, 0 plus 2 as 2, 0 plus 3 as 3, 0 plus 4 as 4, 0 plus 5 as 5, 0 plus 6 as 6, 0 plus 7 as 7, 0 plus 8 as 8, 0 plus 9 as 9, 0 plus 10 as 10, 0 plus 11 as 11 and 0 plus 12 as 12. Likewise, in the second row, we have 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, 1 plus 10 is equal to 11, 1 plus 11 is equal to 12 and 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. In the next row, we have 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, 2 plus 9 is equal to 11, 2 plus 11 is equal to 12, 2 plus 11 is equal to 13, 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. In the next row, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12, 3 plus 10 is equal to 13, 3 plus 11 is equal to 14, and 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. In the next row, we have 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13, 4 plus 11 is equal to 14, 4 plus 11 is equal to 15, and 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. In the next row, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15, 5 plus 11 is equal to 16, 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. In the next row, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16, 6 plus 11 is equal to 17, 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. Likewise, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, 7 plus 9 is equal to 16, 7 plus 10 is equal to 17, 7 plus 11 is equal to 18, 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. In the next row, we have 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, 8 plus 10 is equal to 18, 8 plus 11 is equal to 19, 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. In the next row, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18, 9 plus 10 is equal to 19, 9 plus 11 is equal to 20, 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. In the next row, 10 plus 0 is equal to 10, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15, 10 plus 6 is equal to 16, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18, 10 plus 9 is equal to 19, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, 10 plus 11 is equal to 21, and 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. In the next row, we have 11 plus 0 is equal to 11, 11 plus 1 is equal to 12, 11 plus 2 is equal to 13, 11 plus 3 is equal to 14, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15, 11 plus 5 is equal to 16, 11 plus 6 is equal to 17, 11 plus 7 is equal to 18, 11 plus 8 is equal to 19, 11 plus 9 is equal to 20, 11 plus 10 is equal to 21, 11 plus 11 is equal to 22, 11 plus 12 is equal to 23. And in the last row we have 12 plus 0 is equal to 12, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17, 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, 12 plus 7 is equal to 19, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20, 12 plus 9 is equal to 21, 12 plus 10 is equal to 22, 12 plus 11 is equal to 23, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. We also have a box highlighted in blue for 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11. There's another box in which the numbers are highlighted in red. They are 10, 11, 11, 12. First one, identify some patterns in the table. Second, notice the cells where the number 9 appears in the table. How many times do you see number 9? What about other numbers? Third, are there any rows or columns that contain only even numbers or only odd numbers? Explain your observation. Page number 151. There is a window frame highlighted in red color in the table. A. Find the sum of the two numbers in each row. B. Find the sum of the two numbers in each column. What do you notice? C. Now find the sum of the numbers in each of the two diagonals marked by arrows. What do you notice? D. Now put the red window frame in other places and find the sum as given. What do you notice? Identify some patterns and relationships among the numbers in the blue window frame. Reverse and add. Take a two-digit number, say 27. Reverse its digits as 72. Add them, it is 99. Repeat for different two-digit numbers. B. What sums can we get when we add a two-digit number with its reverse? C. List down all numbers which when added to their reverse give first 55, second 88. D. Can we get a three-digit sum? What is the smallest three-digit sum that we can get? Fill in the blanks with appropriate numbers. A. Here we have picture of 6 trees, and in the first two trees the numbers mentioned are 2540 and 2590 respectively. You are expected to fill up the numbers in other 4 trees. B. Here we have picture of 7 kilometer stones. First one reads 354. Second one reads 1354. You are expected to complete the other blanks given on the kilometer stones. C. There is a number line on which we can see a kangaroo and some numbers are marked. First number is 7645. The next number reads 7670. There are 2 blanks after this, and the fifth number reads 7745. Then we have 3 more blanks. You are expected to fill the correct answer in these blanks. Page number 152. How many animals? India is rich in biodiversity. It is home to some of the endangered wildlife like elephants, tigers, and leopards. On the right side of the page, there is picture of a forest in which we have a tiger sitting on the ground, elephant standing, and a leopard is sitting on the tree. 3/4 of the world's tiger population and 3/5 of the Asiatic elephant population is in India. First question, the population of elephants in Karnataka is 6049 and in Kerala is 3054. How many total elephants are there in these two states? 6049 plus 3054. Estimate the correct answer. There's a blank provided there. You are expected to write down the correct answer there. We also have a pictorial representation of the same, explaining 6049 plus 3054 as 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000 and 1000 6 times. Then we have 10, 10, 10, 10 4 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 9 times. And for 3054, we have 1000, 1000, 1000 3 times. And 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 5 times. And 1, 1, 1, 1 4 times. On grouping them, we have 10 ones is equal to 110. 9 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 10 10. So 10 tens is equal to 100. That means 900 plus 910 plus 13 ones is equal to 9,000s plus 100 plus 0 tens plus 3 ones. That is equal to 9,103. There are 9,103 elephants in Karnataka and Kerala. The addition process has been explained in the tabular column as 1000, hundreds, tens, ones, 6 under 1000, 0 under 100, 4 under tens and 9 under ones, plus 3 under 1000, 0 under hundreds, 5 under tens and 4 under ones. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 3 is written in ones column and 1 is added to the 10, that is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is again 10 tens. 0 is written and this 10 is regrouped with 100. It gives me 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Page number 153. Second question. The highest number of leopards are found in 3 states. Gujarat has 1,355, Karnataka has 1,131 and Madhya Pradesh has 1,817. How many total leopards are there in these states? Estimate the answer. You are expected to write the answer in the blank provided. There is also a pictorial representation of the addition 1,355 plus 1,131 plus 1,817. We have for 1,355 1,000 plus we have 3 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 5 ones plus for 1,131 we have 1,000, 100, 3 tens and 1 ones plus 1,817 is expressed as 1,000 plus you have 8 hundreds plus 110 plus 7 ones. On regrouping, we find that 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000, 10 tens is equal to 100 and 10 ones is equal to 110. So 3,000s plus 12 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 13 ones are equal to 4,000s plus 2 hundreds plus 10 tens plus 3 ones. That is equal to 4,000 plus 300 plus 0 tens plus 3 ones. That is equal to 4,303. We also have a pictorial representation in the table provided here: 1000, 100, tens, ones. 1 is written under 1000, 3 under 100, 5 is written under tens, and 5 is written under ones. Similarly, 1 is written under 1000, 1 is written under 100, 3 is written under 10, and 1 is written under ones. And 1 is written under 1000, 8 is written under 100, and 1 is written under 10, and 7 is written under ones. On adding and regrouping, we get 5 plus 1 plus 7 as 13. So 3 is taken and 110 is added to 5 plus 3 plus 1, that gives us 10 again. We take 0 and again by regrouping we have 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1, that gives us 13, and 3 we take and 1 we add to the 1000. We get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 as 4. So answer becomes 4303. There are 4303 leopards in these 3 states. Page number 154. Question number 3. Maharashtra has 444 tigers. Madhya Pradesh has 341 more tigers than Maharashtra. Uttarakhand has 116 tigers more than Maharashtra. On the right side, we are provided with a box with heading Remember, and we have 10 ones is equal to 110, 10 tens is equal to 100, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000 mentioned in this box. A. How many tigers does Madhya Pradesh have? We have a blank column provided for you. You are supposed to complete the addition in this column. We have 4 under hundreds, 4 under tens, and 4 under ones. You are expected to fill up the blanks and calculate the sum. Likewise, B. How many tigers does Uttarakhand have? Hundreds, tens, and ones column are having 4 under 100, 4 under tens, and 4 under ones. You are expected to write down in the blanks and add. C. How many tigers does Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand have? Here we have 4 columns as thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. There are blanks provided for you to add and complete the blanks to get the answer. D. How many tigers are there in total across the 3 states? Here also we have 4 columns under the headings 1000, 100, tens, ones. There are blank spaces provided for you to add and write down the correct answer. Note for teachers. Suppose children with multiple examples using tokens until they can independently solve various types of problems without the materials. You could also support using box diagrams for solving word problems as suggested in the previous chapter. Page number 155. More or less. Question number 1. Assam has 5,719 elephants. It has 3,965 more elephants than Meghalaya. How many elephants are there in Meghalaya? Estimate the answer and write down in the blank provided. Assam has 5,719. 5,719 minus 3,965 will give us the elephants in Meghalaya. The pictorial representation of the same has been explained on this page. we have 5,719 as 5,000s and 700s, 110 and 9 ones. Regroup 100 as 10 tens, 1,000 as 10 hundreds. By taking away 3,965, we are left with 1,754. When we take away 3,965, that means we cut out 3 thousands and 9 hundreds and 6 tens and 5 ones. We are left with 1,000, 7 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 ones. The same has been represented in a tabular column under 1,000, 100, tens and ones as 5 under 1,000, 7 under 100, 1 under 10 and 9 under ones minus 3 under 1,000, 9 under 100, 6 under tens, 5 under ones. So by subtracting 9 minus 5 we get 4 and 11 minus 6 we get 5 and 16 minus 9 we get 7 and 4 minus 3 we get 1. 1,754 elephants are there in Meghalaya. Question number 2. The population of leopards as per the 2022 census was 8,820 in the central India and the eastern Ghats. It had increased by 749 in comparison to the number of leopards in 2018 in the same region. How many leopards were there in 2018? Estimate the answer and write down in the blank space provided. Page number 156. Which number is to be added to 749 to give 8,820? We are provided a tabular column under thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. You are expected to perform this subtraction and give the answer. Dash leopards were there in 2018. Write the number of animals on this map based on the data from the problems in the previous page. On this page, we have map of India with different states marked in it, and we are supposed to fill up the number of tigers in the states Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. How many tigers are there in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh? Then elephants in Assam are 5,719. This is marked. And elephants in Meghalaya, you are supposed to fill up. There's a blank provided. How many tigers are there in Madhya Pradesh? There's a blank provided. You are supposed to fill up. Number of leopards in these states: Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Karnataka. You are supposed to write down in a blank provided. Number of elephants in these states: Karnataka and Kerala. Elephants in Karnataka are 6,049 and elephants in Kerala are 3,054. Page number 157. Let us do question number 1. The board in the cricket office in the Kaziranga National Park gives the following details. Welcome to Kaziranga National Park. Month, number of visitors. December, number of visitors are 8,591. November, number of visitors are 6,415. In the month of October, we have number of visitors as question mark. You are expected to fill up that. A. How many more visitors came in December than in November? B. The number of visitors in November is 1587 more than October. How many visitors were there in October? Question number 2. In a juice making factory, women make different types of juices as given below. We have picture of 4 bottles here with different colors as yellow, peach, orange and mustard. Type of juice and number of bottles packed in a month is provided in a tabular column below it. Pineapple 1348. For guava, there's a blank provided, you're supposed to fill up. Orange, there's a blank provided, you're supposed to fill up. And passion fruit is 4781. Page number 158. A. The number of bottles of guava juice is 759 more than the number of bottles of pineapple juice. Find the number of bottles of guava juice. B. The number of bottles of orange juice is 1257 more than the number of bottles of guava juice and 1417 less than the number of bottles of passion fruit juice. How many bottles of orange juice are made in a month? C. Is the total number of bottles of guava juice and orange juice more or less than the number of bottles of passion fruit juice? How much more or less? Question number 3. In a small town, the following vehicles were registered in the year 2022. Find the number of vehicles as per the conditions given here. A. The number of buses is 253 more than the number of jeeps. How many buses are there in the town? B. The number of tractors is 5247 less than number of buses. How many tractors are there in the town? C. The number of taxis is 1579 more than the number of tractors. How many taxis are there? D. Arrange the numbers of each type of vehicle from lowest to highest. We have jeeps as 6304. Then we have buses, tractors and taxis. Between jeep and buses, there is an arrow with plus 253 mentioned. Between buses and tractors, we have an arrow with minus 5247 mentioned. Between tractors and taxis, we have an arrow with plus 1579 mentioned. Question number 4. Solve. A. 1459 plus 476. B. 3863 plus 4188. C. 5017 plus 899. D. 4285 plus 2132. E. 3158 plus 1052. F. 7293 minus 2819. G. 3105 minus 1223. H. 8006 minus 5567. I. 5000 minus 4124. J. 9018 minus 487. Page number 159. Question number 5. The children in a school in Chittor are planning to organize a Bal Mela in their school. Raju, Rani and Rosa decided to raise some money to make arrangements for the Mela. The money is available in notes of 500, 100, 50, 10 and coins of 5, 2 and 1. They decide to put the money in the school panchayat bank. We have beautiful pictures of Raju, Rani and Rosa. Below Raju, there is an amount of 2045 rupees written. Below Rani, we have 3579 rupees mentioned, and below Rosa, we have 1240 rupees mentioned. Help each of the children fill the deposit slip given here. Different combinations of notes can give the same amount. Can you guess a possible combination of notes they might have? Fill in the amounts appropriately. We are provided with a deposit slip on this page which mentions SPB as a heading, account number dash, name Raju, date, there are 2 blanks for date, 2 blanks for month, and in year we have 2025. Amount in numbers is rupees 2045. Total amount in words you are expected to write down. There is a blank provided and there is depositor's signature as Raju. We have a tabular column in which the captions are type of note oblique coin, number of notes oblique coins and amount in the third column. In the first column, we have 500, number of notes as 3 and amount as 1500. In the second row, 100, type of notes and number of notes is 3, so amount is 300. In the third row, we have type of note as 50, number of notes as 2. There is a blank provided in the amount for you to write down the correct answer. Type of note is 10 in the fourth row. Number of notes is 14 and you are supposed to fill up the amount in the blank column. Likewise, in the next row we have 5 is the type of note. Number of note is 1 and you are expected to write down the amount in the blank column. Type of note is 2. Number of note or coins is 0, so amount will be dash. You are supposed to fill up. Type of note or coin is 1. Number of notes or coins is 0 and you are expected to write down the answer in the blank under amount. And you are expected to calculate the total as type of notes and coins, number of notes and coins and total amount. Page number 160. On this page, we have 2 more deposit slip of the same type which mentions the caption as SPB, deposit slip, date we have DD, YYYY, that is date, month and year to be mentioned. Account number dash, name Rani, amount in numbers that is dash, total amount in words as dash. You are provided with a blank to fill up and there's a space for depositor's signature. We also have a tabular column under 3 captions as type of note coin, number of notes coins and amount. In the type of note, we have various rows as 500, 100, 50, 10, 5, 2 and 1. And in the last column, we have the total. You are expected to fill the number of notes in the corresponding rows and the amount and calculate the total amount. Likewise, we have a slip for Rosa also. Under the caption SPB, deposit slip, date is DD, YYYY. Account number dash, name is Rosa, amount in numbers to be mentioned by you in the blank, total amount in words to be mentioned in the blank provided, and there's a space for depositor's signature you are supposed to fill up. And we are having 3 columns here also. The first one reads type of note or coin. Second one, number of notes or coins. Third one, the amount. And we have the corresponding notes in the columns here: 500, 100, 50, 10, 5, 2, 1. You are expected to fill up number of notes against them and calculate the amount and the final amount to be written in the blank space provided. Page number 161. Let us solve. Question number 1. Solve A. We have thousands, hundreds, tens and ones as headings, and the numbers written under them are 3 under 1000, 6 under 100, 9 under tens, 5 under ones, plus 4 under 1000, 2 under 100, 0 under 10 and 8 under ones. You are supposed to add and write down the correct answer in the blank space provided. B. We have similarly 1000, 100, tens and ones mentioned, and 2 under 1000, 5 under 100, 0 under 10 and 7 under ones, plus 6 under 1000, 8 under 100, 4 under tens and 7 under ones. You are supposed to add and write down the correct answer in the space provided. C. 1000, 100, tens and ones are the headings, and 6 under 1000 we have 3 under 100, 5 under tens, 2 under ones, minus 3 under 1000, 5 under 100, 2 under tens and 1 under ones place. You are expected to subtract and write down the correct answer in the blank space provided. D. 1000, 100, tens and ones are the headings, and we have numbers 8 under 1000, 8 under 100, 0 under 10, 3 under ones, minus 5 under 1000, 7 under 100, 2 under tens, 6 under ones. You are expected to subtract and write down the correct answer in the blank space provided. Question number 2. Arrange the following in columns and solve in your notebook. A. 3683 minus 971. B. 8432 minus 46. C. 4011 minus 3666. D. 5203 minus 2745. There is another box provided in which we have the following sums: E. 1465 plus 632. F. 3567 plus 77. G. 8263 plus 3737. H. 5429 plus 3287. Page number 162. Let us solve. Question number 1. Find easy ways to solve the following problems. Write the answers in the given space. Share your thinking with the grade. A. 8787 minus 99 is equal to dash. We may subtract 100 and add 1. B. 4596 plus 104 is equal to dash. C. 3459 plus 21 is equal to dash. D. 5010 plus 95 is equal to dash. E. 4990 plus 310 is equal to dash. F. 7844 minus 15 is equal to dash. G. 260 plus 240 is equal to dash. H. 1575 minus 125 is equal to dash. I. 3999 plus 290 is equal to dash. Question number 2. Use the signs less than, equal to, or greater than as appropriate to compare the following without actually calculating. Try to reason them out and share in grade. 54 plus 97, blank space, 54 plus 90. 84 minus 68, blank space, 90 minus 68. 76 plus 85, blank space, 80 plus 86. 73 minus 54, blank space, 73 minus 56. Here we can notice 73 is the same number on both the sides. Notice what is being subtracted on the left and on the right. We have 54 is being subtracted on the left and 56 is being subtracted on the right. Question number 3. Use the given information to find the values. Share your reasoning with the grade. 139 plus 175 is equal to 314. 314 minus 175 is equal to dash. 845 minus 394 is equal to 451. 845 minus 395 is equal to dash. 354 plus 167 is equal to 521. 354 plus 168 is equal to dash. 456 plus 209 is equal to 665. 446 plus 219 is equal to dash. You are supposed to fill up the dashes provided in these boxes. Note for teachers. Encourage children to solve these problems without working out the algorithm, but by noticing other ways to solve them. Notice the ways the numbers on both sides increase and decrease and the results. You could model these with some materials like Diny's block or tokens. You could give more such problems to the children. Page number 163. Question number 1. Add A. 2783 plus 378. B. 8948 plus 97. C. 7006 plus 367. D. 8009 plus 485. E. 6062 plus 3809. F. 3792 plus 2688. G. 4999 plus 3888. H. 5005 plus 4805. I. 5768 plus 4053. J. 3480 plus 479. Question number 2. Subtract A. 4456 minus 2768. B. 5300 minus 467. C. 8067 minus 4546. D. 5302 minus 1034. E. 8004 minus 3107. F. 3400 minus 897. G. 9382 minus 4857. H. 7561 minus 2933. I. 6478 minus 5986. J. 3444 minus 2555. Question number 3. Fill the squares with the numbers 1 to 9. The difference between any two neighboring squares connected by line must be odd. Can you find other ways to fill the squares? Can you do the same thing such that the difference between any two neighboring squares is even? We are provided with 9 boxes here, which are blank and they are connected by lines. You are supposed to fill up the numbers from 1 to 9 in these boxes. Chapter 10 ends here.
Maths Mela. You were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Mathematics for Grade 4. Narration Swarnlata Sharma. Sound recordist Prasoon Kumar. Production assistant Soumya Malik. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.